Hi guys, this is Shumon from Acer Technical. Today I'm going to show you how to flash BIOS on Acer Aspire E15 series laptop. Note, if you are getting laptop turned on but no display, then at first you have to make sure that this problem occurred due to BIOS corruption. If you are not sure whether it because of BIOS error or not, then I will suggest you at first go through some easy method which will help you to understand the actual problem. If you want, you can check out here to see our tutorial on laptop turns on but display shows nothing. However, if you confirm that your laptop has a BIOS corruption or BIOS failure related error, then try this method. I have applied this specific method on Acer Aspire E15 series to specific models and I got 100% success. Now I will be showing you by applying this method on Acer Aspire E15 series E5571 model. And one more very important thing, this specific step is given for specific product. So please don't unnecessarily experiment with your working laptop and please execute this operation at your own risk, because flashing system BIOS incorrectly could harm your device. So let's get started. Alright, to flash the system BIOS, you will need to follow some steps. At first, you will need to create a bootable USB flash drive. Check out here to see our previous tutorial on how to create a USB bootable flash drive to flash the system BIOS. Next, make sure that your laptop is turned off. If not, then press and hold down the power button for a few seconds to turn off your computer. After that, unplug the power adapter cable from your device electrical outlet. Disconnect all external device and cables from your laptop. Next, you have to remove the battery. If the battery is inside your laptop, then find a battery ejector pinhole at the laptop's chassis bottom. Once you found, insert a paper clip into the pinhole. After that, gently place for 5 to 10 seconds to temporarily disconnect the battery. In these laptops, connected an external storage device using optical drive bay. So at first let me remove that. Once done, turn the laptop right side up and press and hold down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to drain all residual power from the system. If the battery is inside your laptop, then you don't need to do this step. Okay, after that I just insert the USB bootable flash drive that I have previously created to flashing the BIOS of this notebook. The tutorial link in the description below. Alright, now follow me exactly. At first, press and hold down the function plus escape key combination. After that, attach the AC adapter cable. Now press the power button once, but don't hold power button. Then you will see the laptop's cooling fan will be spinning at higher speed. After that, release the function plus escape key combination. Now please keep patient and do nothing. It will take few minutes to replacing the old BIOS version. After completing the process, the machine will be automatically reboot. Note, After successfully flashing the system BIOS, it will reset all the BIOS settings to the default. But it will not clear your BIOS password if your laptop BIOS is protected with the supervisor password. Okay, as you can see, the machine is automatically shut down. Please keep patient, it will be rebooted automatically. Alright, now let me show you the BIOS. Okay, it is reset all the BIOS configuration to the default. However, now let me check the operating systems are working or not. Okay, as you can see, everything is working properly. We hope you will like. Of course, let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.